Hey everyone, welcome back to the world of generative AI. In today's video, we are diving into something super exciting, LangChain. If you have ever used ChatGPT or Google Gemini and wondered how can I build something like this, but smarter and more useful for my specific need, then LangChain is your answer. So, what exactly is LangChain? LangChain is a framework designed to help developers and startups build powerful applications using large language models or LLMs like GPT-4, Gemini, Claude, and more. But here is the twist. LangChain doesn't stop at just generating text like ChatGPT. It helps LLMs do a lot more than just chat. With LangChain, your LLM can connect to external data sources like PDFs, databases, websites, or even real time APIs. This means your AI app would not just rely on its training knowledge, it can actually look up and use new information. Another game changing feature is memory. Just like a human, your AI can remember what you talked about earlier, making conversations more natural and contextual. Very useful in multi turn conversations like customer support or personal assistants. On top of that, LangChain lets you plug in tools and APIs. Want your AI to do math, fetch the weather, or book a ticket? LangChain makes that possible. And the biggest power of LangChain, it helps you create AI agents. System that can follow a series of steps logically, access tools, make decisions, and solve problems independently. Stick around because next we will break down the key components and LangChain and how they work together like puzzle pieces. Alright, let's break down the core buildings block of LangChain. The things you will be using over and over when building AI apps. There are 5 key concepts. LLMs. This is the heart of your app. The actual language model like GPT-4 or Gemini, it does the reasoning, summarizing, chatting, coding, all the generative stuff. LangChain gives you simple tools to plug in any of these models with just a few lines of code. Then we have chains. Chains are sequences of steps like a recipe to get your final results. For example, say you want to summarize a document and send a response. That's not just one prompt, it is a chain. Load a doc, split it into chunks, send each chunks to LLM, summarize, generate final response. LangChain helps you build these multi-step workflow cleanly. Tools. LLMs are smart, but they are not all-knowing. With LangChain, you can give your model access to tools like a calculator, a search engine, a weather API, or your own custom functions. Now, your AI can do more than talk, it can actually take actions. Memory. One of the biggest complaints in normal AI chat is why doesn't it remember what I said 2 minutes ago? LangChain solves this with built in memory systems. It stores past interactions so your chatbot can remember the user's name, preferences, or even a past question and its answers. This makes your app feel human and smart. Retriever. Finally, we have the retriever, the component responsible for fetching relevant documents or knowledge from your external data source. When you use LangChain with a PDF or database, Retriever pulls out the right information based on your question. This is especially useful in building RAG applications, retrieval augmented generation, where the AI doesn't hallucinate but fetches facts before answering. These 5 together form the brain, memory, and muscles of any LangChain powered AI app. Up next, let's see how people are using all these concepts to build real world applications that you can actually try or create yourself. Real world use cases. Let's talk about the exciting part. What can you actually build with LangChain? People across industries are already using LangChain to build smart AI apps. And here are some amazing real world applications. Chatbots with memory and context. You can build chatbots that don't just respond to a single question but can remember the whole conversations. Imagine a customer support bot that remembers your past issues or a therapy chatbot that remembers your past sessions. AI assistant using API or tools. Developers are creating AI personal assistant that can do real work. Check your calendar, send you daily summaries, run code, even call external APIs and bring back results. LangChain helps you give these agents tools to make them functional. Question answer system over PDFs, Notion or private database. Want to ask questions to a 200-page PDF or query your Notion notes? LangChain lets you build Q&A systems that connect to your own documents and give fact-based personalized answer. Great for HR, finance, legal or research teams. Document summarizers and search agents. You can also build apps that summarize reports, research papers, meeting transcripts, and even let you search across thousands of documents using natural language. This turns unstructured data into usable knowledge in seconds. AI dev tools. There are AI tools, but with LangChain that can write code, test it, explain bugs, and even optimize your code base. It is like giving superpowers to developers. LangChain support use cases where the LLM can access a repo, scan files, and work with a step-by-step plan. And guess what? Most of these apps use the exact five components we just discussed: LLMs, chains, tools, memory, and retrievers. If you are thinking of building your own API, own AI app, LangChain give you the blueprint, the engine, and the tools. Hope this inspired you. In the next video, I will show you how to actually build some of these apps, starting from the basic chatbot to full-blown AI agent using LangChain and OpenAI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment below with what you would love to build with LangChain.